I will be announcing changes in starting with the regions and some districts today. No? And the first announcement I will be making is the relief of 4 regional directors. So there have been, we are officially relieving today for various reasons, no? Specifically because there are ongoing investigations here, which I cannot fully disclose to you. But suffice it to say, we are investigating a lot of people in the department, and officially we are relieving 4 regional directors. Regional Director Ronel Tan of Region 1, Regional Director Jovel Mendoza of Region 4A, Regional Director Virgilio Eduarte of Region 5, and Regional Director Danilo Villa of Region 7. We are also relieving Assistant Regional Directors ARD Neil Farala of Region 4B, and also Regional Director Annie De La Vega of Region 5. And we are also relieving Regional Director District Engineer Umali of the 3rd District of Metro Manila, and District Engineer Manny Bulusan of South Manila DEO. So, relief ito, so they are relieved effective when I sign the relief orders, which will come in the next day or so. We are also, for all intents, relieving 3 DEs. La Union 1st District Engineering Office Sherry Lan Gonzalez, Iloilo City DEO Roy Pacanan, and Leyte 4th District District Engineer Peter Scheller Soko, because they have not met CSE qualification standards. So we are going to be very, very strict, and I will be releasing in the next few days or weeks, the new requirements, merit requirements for all officials of DPWH, specifically district engineers, assistant district engineers, the regional directors, and assistant regional directors. Push programs following the President's directive na ang bawat piso na pera ng mga kababayan natin dapat magastos at magamit sa tama. No, I think that is the clear message of the President, lalo na nung pinirmahan niya yung budget. Pero since, last year, nung naglabasa na nga itong mga grabing pagnanakaw ng pera ng mga kababayan natin, na ang point ni Presidente, kaya niya in-expose to, kaya niya pinasabog ito, is to say, tama na nitong renewed effort na to, na talagang siguraduhin na yung bawat piso ng mga pera ng kababayan natin ay nagagastos sa tama. So, ganyan. So ngayon, alam niyo naman, bumaba ng malaki ang pondo ng DPWH ngayon from 880 billion, 500 plus billion na lang. Pero ngayong taon na to, and ito, talaga paulit-ulit kong sasabihin sa inyo to, kahit na bumaba ang budget ng DPWH, papatunayan natin, dahil sa suporta at tulong ng ating Pangulo, papatunayan natin na kahit mababa ang budget ng DPWH kumpara sa ibang mga taon, mas marami tayong magagawa, mas marami tayong maaayos, mas marami tayong ma-repair, at gagawin natin ng maayos, ng tama, ng mabilis, at ng mas mura pa. Kung meron kayong sa mga lugar ninyo na unfinished bridges, unfinished roads, unfinished classrooms, unfinished hospitals, unfinished healthcare centers, unfinished facilities, please report them to us dito sa Transparency Portal, sa social media ng DPWH, tag nyo lang si DPWH, sa email, sa hotline, i-report nyo at yan din isasama namin sa mga nakalista naming napakaraming proyekto na unfinished na tatapusin natin. Please send them to us and we will do our best to find the funds for them and to finish them, if not this year, in the coming year.